everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I am so excited to show you guys what I got. Oh my goodness, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see in the picture. And this is one of the bags that was on my wish list, and I did not change that I wanted this bag, okay? I am still crazy about it and was crazy about it back then. The color is just stunning. So you guys, I usually do a video on luxury goods and a little bit on other things. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned and subscribe and give me a big thumbs up and click on that bell for notification because I have a whole lot more videos coming. But with further ado, let me go ahead and show you what I got, you guys. I'm so excited. Well, first of all, it came in this dust bag. And I already opened it, okay? I was way too excited and I didn't want to wait to do an official unboxing. And here we go. I'm so excited. Ah! Look at that. This is definitely showing its true colors here on the camera. I looked at this bag. I was kind of scared to buy it because I thought for sure there was going to be flaws and indentions in this velvet. But I examined it and it does not. It is just such a gorgeous bag. This bag is the small Gucci Marmont flop bag in the velvet. I think it's called, let me see, the color is called, this color is the fuchsia velvet, and I just think it is a stunning color. And when I look at it, oh my goodness, like I said in on my wish list video, it just takes my breath away. The color is just so stunning, and it's definitely showing its true colors, as you can see here on the camera. And I am loving this, you guys. I am loving it. I love the antique gold hardware on this bag. That is such a stunning piece that goes with this bag. And the strap is just, oh, it's amazing. I love how it's, you know, just not all chain, so you can put this on your shoulder so it doesn't bother you. And then you can also double up like this, which I love. This bag, I feel like, is just the perfect size. I didn't want anything bigger than this bag. Now, let me tell you, this bag retails, okay, this bag retails for $18.90, but you guys, it went on 30% sale down to, let me see if I can look at the price here. It went down to $13.23. So what a difference. It is 30% off, and I am loving it. And when I saw that it went 30% off, I went ahead and grabbed it right away because there is actually two other Gucci bags that I do want, and this is one of them. And I will put the pictures of the other two that I want and up on the screen somewhere. And one is a camera bag, and they're both camera bags, I'm sorry, but they're different sizes, so I'll let you guys see that in the picture. But I have noticed a Valentino bag, rock stud bag, that I would love more than the Gucci small camera bag. The only thing is the price difference is humongous. So as you guys know, Valentino rock stud bags are just expensive. So how gorgeous is that? Let me go ahead and read you guys what the measurement of this bag is. I am like, you guys, I am so excited. This is one of my dream bags. I'm serious. It's one of my dream bags. I didn't know if I was going to get it, especially some of the reviews I read about it. People were really worried about the velvet and how it causes indentions. Well, actually, there was an indention here, but all I did was just do this, and it went away. It took a little bit for it to go away, like within, I guess, 10 minutes. I rubbed it out a little bit and then left it alone, and it disappeared. So it's really not a big deal. And I do take care of my bags, and I do not intend to wear this in the rain or anything like that. I do have my Louis Vuittons in the Damia bin, and also this gorgeous bag here that I can wear in the bad weather, so I would definitely not do that. So the measurement of this small Gucci Marmont bag, okay, so it is 10 inches in width this way, 6 inches this way, and then 3 inch this way. So look how beautiful that is, you guys. And I'm going to show you what can fit into this gorgeous, gorgeous bag right now. So let me go ahead and empty things out of here. And by the way, you guys, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I know that I wanted to do a couple of my favorites that I wanted to give away. I do want to do this gorgeous makeup palette from Too Faced, which I think is just beautiful. And it retails, I think, $59, and then a couple of other things. So it's going to retail well over $100, $150, $160. I don't know. I'm not really sure yet, because I will be hitting 1,000 subscribers eventually soon, and I want to make sure that I give my YouTubers, my subscribers something. And so you guys will have to definitely stay tuned for my video for that. But let me go ahead and show you what fits into this bag. A full-size wallet that I have here. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous Prada wallet here with Swarovski crystals. I'm going to go ahead and stick that in here. Let me zip this up. And it fits perfectly. And I'm going to stick my PM agenda into my purse here and see how that fits. That looks great. And my key clay, I'm going to stick that into my bag as well. And my glasses. As you guys know, I have to wear these now, so okay. And then my sunglasses. So these are my new Ray-Bans, you guys. I don't know if you saw my birthday video, but I am loving these. This is not something I would normally wear, well, Ray-Bans, but I think this style is just amazing. This is definitely the style that I like. So it's really, really pretty. I might have to stick this in a soft case, you guys, because I don't know if it's going to fit with the full-size wallet. Okay, so I got all that in there, so it does not fit. So I would definitely have to put that in a soft case. So my sunglasses doesn't fit, but let me go ahead and check to see if my phone fits and if I can close it. So yes, so all that fits in here. But you guys, I would not carry a full-size wallet in this bag to begin with. So let me go ahead and take my full-size wallet out, and I might not carry my agenda, but I would carry my pochette, which has, I'm using this kind of like a wallet right now. It has my credit cards and everything I need, my lipstick, everything. So that would go in there for sure. Okay, and my phone back in here, and then I can stick my sunglasses in there. So that fits like perfectly right there. I can snap it closed and everything. So this bag over here, it does have a snap closure, which you can press the button just like that and it opens up. I don't have any problems closing it. I know I saw a YouTuber talking about how it's hard to close when it's empty. Well, right now it's not quite empty, but let me go ahead and take everything out of there and see how it is. No, my bag closes easily, so I don't have any problems with that. And look at the back of this bag, you guys. I think it's gorgeous. I know a lot of people think that the heart is so little girlish, but you know what? I think it's adorable. I think this is so pretty. I don't have any complaints. And I know some people said if you have animals that you'll get hair on there. I just saw one dog hair, and it seems a little dusty, but I'll just get the roller and I can roll it. So this is just such a pretty bag. And you guys, I am wanting to do a comparison eventually on my other favorite bag, you guys. So if you guys want me to do a comparison with these two bags, I will, on what fits into them eventually. But let me go ahead and show you the inside of this bag. It is lined with silk, but look how gorgeous that is. It's the pink, and there is one pocket here. I guess it comes with the booklet and all the receipts and stuff. So there is one closure pocket here, and I love the leather on here. I feel like it looks so pretty. I don't know if I would be attracted to this purse if it was completely this color all over. I just think the velvet just does so much for this bag, you guys. Look how pretty that is. So let me go ahead and give you guys some mod shots of this bag. So hold on. Okay, so how I would wear this bag is probably more like this. Okay, so I doubled the straps here, and you can wear it like this as well. And I know a YouTuber says please be careful, because if you wear it like that you can leave indentions, but I'm not going to worry about it until I can't get the indentions out. I can always brush it or whatever and kind of get it out. So I really like that. And then crossbody, okay? So I'm 5'2", 115 pounds. I gained a weight, 1 pound. And this is what the bag looks like and where it falls on me. So I know everybody is different. Some people have longer torsos, some people have shorter torsos, so you guys got to keep that in mind, and also breast size and weight. So don't forget to keep that in mind as well. So there you guys go. So anyways, you guys, what do you guys think about my gorgeous bag? I am so excited to add this to my beautiful collection, and I can't wait to show you what else I get next. I am just loving this bag, and by the way, I got this bag selling another bag, so I didn't have to really spend but $100 on this, which I had birthday money. I think it was $150. So I did sell something to purchase this bag, so it didn't really affect me much. And the next bag I'm getting, I also am trying to sell 2 bags on eBay, so that will cover the other bags that I want. And there you go. So anyways, I am so excited, you guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. I am so excited to be a part of the YouTube community, and like I said, I will be doing a giveaway. Please, you guys, watch out for it. It's not a whole lot, but it's just something saying that I appreciate my subscribers, and I really do. And I've made good friends, and I've talked to them, and I really enjoy being on YouTube. There's so many times that I almost wanted to quit, only because of the fact that I've been bombarded with so many things in my life, my studying, and then trying to do my best in real estate. I have not sold a house, but I have found renters. As you guys know, it's not a lot of money for that. And I'm also having to take care of my youngest daughter, who is 19, and she has depression. So that's really been tough on me. It's taken a toll on me. So anyways, I don't want to go into that. It's been rough and it's been tough, and so I just want to say thank you guys for all your support, and I can't wait to do my giveaway, like I said. So please, you guys, subscribe and look out for my giveaway. So you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you, and I guess that's about it. Bye.